Hey everyone, welcome back to Sudatech, where we help you unlock the secrets to a better life. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after goals, financial freedom. If you've ever wondered how to escape the 9-to-5 grind, build wealth, and truly enjoy life on your terms, you're in the right place. Stick with me to the end, because I'm sharing 5 proven steps to achieve financial freedom. Steps that you can start today. And trust me, the last step is a game changer. These aren't just theories. I've personally used these strategies and I've seen them transform lives. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First things first, you can't achieve financial freedom without mastering your budget. Think of your budget as a roadmap. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Start by tracking all your expenses for a month. Yes, every coffee, every subscription, every dollar. Then, divide your spending into categories, essentials, savings, and discretionary. Here's the secret. Follow the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. And if you're serious about financial freedom, try flipping that, save 30%, and spend only 20% on wants. Pro tip. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to make the process easier, and remember, the goal isn't deprivation, it's prioritization. Debt is the biggest obstacle to financial freedom. But here's the good news, you can tackle it strategically. There are 2 popular methods. The Snowball method, pay off your smallest debts first, then roll that payment into the next debt. This builds momentum. The Avalanche method. Focus on the debt with the highest interest rate to save the most money over time. Choose the method that fits your personality. If you need quick wins to stay motivated, go with the Snowball. If you're all about saving money in the long run, Avalanche is your best bet. Pro tip. Avoid taking on new debt during this process. Cut up those credit cards if you have to. Stay focused on your goal. Now let's talk about your safety net and emergency fund. Life happens. Your car breaks down, medical bills pop up, or you lose a job. Without an emergency fund, these moments can derail your journey to financial freedom. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses saved in a high-yield savings account. Start small. $1,000 can cover most basic emergencies. This isn't just about financial security, it's about peace of mind. When you know you're covered, you can focus on building wealth without constant worry. Saving money is great, but investing is how you make your money work for you. This is the key to building wealth. Start by learning the basics of investing. Understand terms like stocks, bonds, ETFs, and index funds. If you're new, consider using robo-advisors like Betterment or Acorns, which handle the heavy lifting for you. Pro tip. Always take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s, especially if there's a company match. It's free money. And remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow thanks to compound interest. Even $100 a month can turn into hundreds of thousands over a few decades. Time is your best friend here. Finally, let's talk about passive income, the ultimate financial freedom hack. Passive income is money you earn without trading your time for it. Here are a few ideas. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or online course. Buy rental properties or invest in real estate through platforms like Fundrise. Create digital products like ebooks or templates. It takes time to set up, but once it's rolling, passive income can cover your living expenses and even fund your dreams. This is how you escape the rat race. And there you have it, 5 steps to financial freedom. Let's recap. 1. Master your budget. 2. Eliminate debt strategically. 3. Build an emergency fund. 4. Invest for the future. 5. Create passive income streams. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about having the time and energy to live life on your terms. So, which step are you starting with today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share this with a friend who needs it, and together, let's build a future full of freedom and possibilities. Thank you for watching Sudatech. Until next time, stay focused, stay inspired, and stay financially free.